Hey, today I am going to show you how I take note on my iPad. I will show you 5 note-taking apps on the iPad, their ups and downs, and how to use them. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first app on the list is Goodnotes 5. It is an amazing note-taking software which is available easily on the iPad. Over here you can choose from a variety of brushes and ballpoints and start writing. As you click on the pen tool, you can see all its properties and the other 2 brush pens as well. Over here, you've got some pressure sensitivity scrollers for the brush pen as well, and same goes for the fountain pen. If you click on the 3 dots up above, you can see all the page settings and change them instantly. Then you have the lasso tool through which you can select some part of the text or even the whole of it and move around. Then you've got your highlighter tool. As soon as you highlight a part of your text, the highlight will go behind your original text. No matter how much you highlight, it might create layers and layers, but it will send them to the back. Now if you want to import an image, you could simply just drag and drop the image from your photos. One bonus feature is that as soon as your picture comes into Goodnotes, it automatically gets rid of the background. The highlighter tips goes the same for images as well. It sends the highlighted part to the back, but not as good in images as it does in the text. The next option is the zoom to text option, in which you get a box fully zoomed in for having a neat handwriting and writing clearly. The second app on the list is Noteful. Noteful is pretty much the same type of note-taking app as all the others, but the great thing about it is its abundance of notebook pages. You can rename a notebook using the Apple Pencil and choose whether you want a lined paper or a grid paper, and you can even choose the color of your pages. Now if you click on the 3 dots next to the notebook pages, you will find a variety of different pages, including music paper and other. But let's not waste time on this and dive into the real app. So over here, just like Goodnotes, you have a pen tool. You can change its width and its type and also use the brush pen as well. The highlighter tool also remains the same but less capable than the highlighter present in Goodnotes. Then we have the lasso tool, and just like in Goodnotes, it selects objects and changes its position and size. Over here you also have a whole stickers panel, but unfortunately, I haven't yet made any stickers or imported any, so you might find this panel empty. One downside of Noteful is that it doesn't give any pre-made stickers. The third app on the list is Colla Note. Colla Note is a perfectly free note-taking app and even provides with its own digital planners, notebook covers, and even study flashcards. Colla Note gives a very fast response without any glitch or delay. I find its pen tool a bit weird, but it's worth it in the end. One bonus point is that Colla Note provides with its own stickers, and when it comes to stickers, it's a huge variety of them. It's just amazing how these stickers are resizable, easy to move, and very playful. Now if you come over to the home screen and click on New Note, you will see the abundance of notebook pages, digital planners, and study flashcards. The fourth app on the list is Nebo. Setting up the Nebo app is easy as it doesn't take much long. It might even ask you to upgrade your Nebo app or buy the premium version of it. It's totally up to you. You can choose your own preferred language. Over here I am choosing English. The next thing Nebo asks you is your writing style. It will ask you which way you are comfortable in writing. Now over here you pretty much have the same options like all the other note-taking apps. Thank you for watching.